couple of days in the lead up to this game, but as you can see, the last couple of hours are a rather different story. The weather has decided not to play ball. The conditions here are a long way from ideal. It is teeming with rain, and that has left both teams contemplating very different challenges. It's almost old style. Understandable looks of concern on the faces of managers, officials, players and fans alike. And expectations are rising, and Drogba! Oh, that's fabulous!
Well, this is already looking rather ominous for the opposition. When a player of his calibre can open up the scoring with a brilliantly classy finish, it could be a very long match for that defence to prevent it happening again.
And that is stunning, just too hot to handle.
Well, the technique generates the power in that situation, and his power is assured any goalkeeper's up against it.
Buriram United break through nice and early, just as they wanted it.
Yeah, that works for me. The denial of movement, blunt and brusque.
Messi. He's made good progress from a deep position. Messi. It is a corner. Buriram United with their first corner, the first in the game for either side. In with a header! Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. And now they can spring out of defence. The muscular approach does pay off here. Driving on and making good progress.
This is the time you need that pace.
Guti, good purposeful running, and Guti! And that is doing no harm at all.
Buriram United certainly look a very capable counter-attacking team. They're direct, they're quick, and to be honest, they're full of belief that it'll pay off.
And it's Fernando Torres. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Gently done. And he cuts out the supply. So just a one early goal to report so far. And the score is 1-0. Drogba. Played out to the right. Shot could be on. Great chance! Well, the finish certainly didn't match the build-up.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
And here's Mane. Mane. Big chance, corner. Buriram United have their second corner now. Up to meet it! Away from immediate danger. Costa Curta. Rodri. And now a sudden chance to counter.
Buriram United can certainly afford to see this half out now and reset during the break.
And it's Mane. Interesting ball.
There will be 1 minute.
They'll want to make the most of this turnover.
There's the whistle for half-time. So there we are, half-time. Both teams head into their respective dressing room, and well, there was a genuine flow about the game. Most importantly, there has been just one telling moment. It is still very tight here. The game still up for grabs. And the half-time score, 1-0. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
At least, Peter, not conceding another goal has kept them in this game, and they can up their response in this second half.
Buriram United come off having scored the only goal of the game so far. It's been tight, it's been exciting, and there is certainly plenty for us to chew on during the break. And we are already promptly back underway. Buriram United carrying a one-goal lead. There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. Willing running on one side, dogged defence on the other. Fernando Torres, and the counter is on. And they're not going to make any further progress now. Still just a single goal between the sides.
72,306.
And that is as far as they're going to go.
If they want to counter, they could do with more speed.
Your impression so far, Jim?
Well, this lead is beginning to look a little delicate. I'd rather see them show the ambition and adventure to go further ahead. But it seems as if they settle for a riskier approach now to defend this. Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
This is a really front-footed approach.
Spotted.
Lewandowski! No way through. And the shot! Just too high.
Yeah, but you only need to look across to the sideline to see what one makes of that, Peter.
Substitutions taking place.
So there's going to be another change here. Fernando Torres, it's Lewandowski! Loose ball now, and there's a chase on to retrieve it. Cleared without complication. Van Bouten. Guti. He's going for goal! And yes, it's there! Such thrill, such noise, and how this matters! That is just remarkable, the amount of bend he got on that.
Oh, that's a measured delight. The curl he applied was immaculate.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
Yeah, I can't think of a better time, Peter, to get that two-goal cushion. That, for me, should be decisive.
Oh, he's done very well to take that back. Messi hurtling down that right flank. He's got away. Oh, facing up to his adversary. This is a formidable matchup. Chance! And it's there! And they are pulling clear here. No space, no problem. You just cannot stop him.
Yeah, he won the jostle, and it was a very good finish, and I think he'll go away feeling pretty good about that one.
A case now of complete control.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Four added minutes has been indicated.
Guti. Played out towards the right wing. He's found the way through. This has a goal! It's in! ecstatic, fans delirious. This is utopian. And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
No other outcome there. That was bang in the corner, unstoppable.
Buriram United tear their opponent. And time is up. Well, that was a tale of two very different teams. One driven, ruthless, prolific. The other quite the opposite in all of those areas. The result, a very accurate reflection of what we saw.
Guti.